Hello and welcome to the PBN-TEC video on how to use your OTG adapter with your PBN-TEC audio or video recording device. First, you need to connect the adapter to the recorder and then to the phone. Some of the devices will connect directly into the adapter and some of them use a cable. Be sure to use the cable into the data port and not the power out if it is a power bank style recorder. If you use the power out, it will not be able to transmit data and connect to the phone. Once you do have it connected to the phone, we're going to find the File Manager app for your phone. For Samsung phones, it's called My Files. For other manufacturers, it might be called something else. And you may actually have to download a File Manager app from the Play Store. So for the Samsung phone that we're demoing with today, we're going to go to the Samsung folder, find the My Files app, and open it up. You can see here that it lists the storage, internal storage, SD card if there was one inserted, and the USB storage. This is the actual recorder that has been connected. It's going to show up as USB storage. So we tap on that, and then we find the recording folder. And now this may be named something different depending on your device, but here it is called Record. Sometimes it's called Voice. But we open that up and you can see your recordings. And from here we can play them. We can delete them. It's very easy to just open them up by tapping on them. And that's how you access your recordings using your OTG adapter from PBN-TEC. Thank you for joining me today.